Morning students, this is our third lecture of class 8th computer, and in this lecture we will learn about how to insert hyperlink in HTML web page. So hyperlink are just only the link which was provided on one web page to go to the another web page. For example, if you want to open Google homepage, then you have to put address www.google.com on the address bar of your browser. In the same manner, if you want to open one web page within the another web page, then you have to put this address inside a tag. So the tag which was used for this purpose is known as anchor tag, which was represented by a small a. This is a container tag. Container tag means it requires to be end properly, and the syntax is href. Href means hyper reference. Then you have to put URL inside inverted commas. Then link text. Link text means the text which you want to use on your web page to resemble another web page. Then at last you have to close anchor tag. So in this manner you will be able to insert link of one web page into another web page, or you can use it to jump to another document by providing it to the first document. And when you provide this hyperlink to any text, then whenever you put your mouse over the text, then the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand, and after clicking on that you will be able to go to the next web page. So for example, here we are using anchor tag and hyper reference. Hyper reference attribute specifies the destination address. For example, it specifies the address where you have to go. So in this we have to put the link. For example, we want to open our school website, then we will put here HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, nalandaresidentialschool.com. Then a text is provided here which was shown to you on the web page. By clicking on that text, you will be able to go to the Nalanda Residential Schools website. The href hyperreference attribute specifies the destination address. For example, the destination address here is nalandaresidentialschool.com. The link text is this: visit our school website is a link text. By clicking on the link text, it will send you to the specified address. Whenever you click on the link text, means the text which was written along with this address, then it will take you to the web page whose address was mentioned here. So let's do it with a practical session. For example, a code is written here. So whenever we start writing code of HTML, then we started with the tag HTML, which is a container tag. It means it requires to be closed before ending or before saving our document. Then we started with HTML. Then after HTML, body tag. The main coding of the web page was done inside a body tag. Then inside heading tag, it was written here HTML links. Then inside paragraph tag, P tag, we will put hyper reference of Nalanda Residential Schools website. This is our link text, and after closing anchor tag, we will close paragraph tag in which this whole thing is enclosed. And after this, we will take one another example of opening a admission form of Nalanda Residential School by clicking on a link text which was provided on our web page. So for that purpose, we have provided address of our admission form in the address place, and in the link text we will proceed to fill admission form, then closing of anchor tag, and then closing of paragraph tag. Now let us see what will happen if we will save this. We will save it as I am saving it in document section by hyperlink. As you all know that HTML document requires to be requires a file extension .html, so we will put here .html, then save. Documents, this is our web page. Now double click on it. Here two text are provided, link text are provided. One is visit our school website, and whenever we took our cursor on it, a small hand appear. When we click on it, then what will happen? It will open our school's website. This is Nalanda Residential School website, and when we click on proceed to fill admission form, it will take us to the admission form procedure. This is our admission form. So in this manner, by using anchor tag and href hyperreference, we will jump from one web page to another by using this anchor tag. So student, this is the end of this session. Please try to prepare notes of this session and try this at your own home. This is very simple. You can do it on the web browser of your mobile phone also. Try to do it. We will continue new things in our next lecture. Thank you, students.